Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the critical world of financial literacy in depth. Financial literacy is the knowledge and skills required to make informed decisions about money management. It is the key to unlocking your financial potential and achieving your financial goals. By mastering concepts like saving and investing, you can pave the way for financial success. Saving refers to setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It is a fundamental concept that can help you build wealth and attain financial security. Investing, on the other hand, is the process of putting your money to work by purchasing assets that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value over time. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Whether you are aiming to build wealth, achieve your dreams, or simply attain financial security, understanding these fundamentals is essential. By becoming financially literate, you can make informed decisions about your money and take control of your financial future. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how mastering saving and investing can transform your financial future. Many people struggle with financial literacy and may make mistakes when saving and investing in a complicated financial system. Without a clear understanding of the nuances of personal finance, it's easy to fall into common traps. Firstly, there's a widespread misconception that saving and investing are synonymous. This misunderstanding leads people to overlook the distinct purposes and benefits of each. As a result, they may either hoard their money in low-yield savings accounts, missing out on potential growth opportunities, or dive into investments without understanding the risks, leading to significant losses. Moreover, without financial literacy, individuals may struggle to set achievable financial goals or develop a robust financial plan. They might overspend, live beyond their means, or neglect emergency funds, leaving them vulnerable to financial shocks like job loss or medical emergencies. Additionally, lacking financial literacy can lead to poor decision-making when it comes to borrowing, credit management, and retirement planning. Without proper knowledge, individuals may fall prey to predatory lending practices, accumulate high-interest debt, or delay saving for retirement, jeopardizing their financial security in later years. In essence, the absence of financial literacy creates a barrier to financial well-being, hindering individuals from making informed decisions, achieving their goals, and ultimately securing their future. However, by acquiring financial knowledge and mastering saving and investing, anyone can overcome these challenges and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Let's delve a bit deeper into the importance of saving and investing. Saving and investing are two important financial concepts that can help you build a solid financial foundation and achieve your long-term financial goals. Saving acts as a safety net for emergencies, helps you achieve short-term goals like buying a car or going on vacation, and provides a sense of security. However, saving alone is not enough to build long-term wealth as the value of money goes down because of inflation and taxes that naturally change, along with the changes in the economy worldwide. This is where investing comes in. Investing enables your money to grow faster over the long term, although it also comes with risks such as market volatility and potential losses. To minimize these risks, it's essential to understand the principles of diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. It's important to note that investing is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Your investment decisions should be based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. For example, if you're planning to retire in 20 years, you may choose to invest in stocks and bonds that have a longer-term growth potential. Conversely, if you're planning to buy a home in the next few years, you may choose to invest in more conservative assets that provide a steady income stream. By understanding the importance of both saving and investing, you can create a solid financial foundation and build long-term wealth that can help you achieve your financial goals and aspirations. Let's take a closer look at two individuals and their financial habits. The first person saves their money diligently in a savings account that has a low interest rate. The second person, on the other hand, chooses to invest their money in a diversified portfolio, which offers higher returns over time. As the years go by, the investor's wealth grows significantly due to the power of compounding, which allows them to earn interest on their initial investment as well as on the interest earned from previous years. Moreover, The diversified portfolio offers higher returns compared to the low-interest savings account, which further adds to the investor's wealth. However, the saver struggles to keep up with inflation, which decreases the value of their savings. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, which means that the saver's money is worth less and less as time passes. The investor's decision to invest in a diversified portfolio pays off over time due to the effects of compounding and higher returns, while the saver loses out due to the low interest rate and the effects of inflation. To achieve financial success, it is important to incorporate both saving and investing into your financial plan. By saving, you can build a stable financial foundation that can support your investments and provide security in case of emergencies. Investing, in turn, can help you grow your wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Therefore, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of both saving and investing, and to create a financial plan that incorporates both of these important behaviors. We'd love to hear about your experiences with saving and investing. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on financial planning for more insights into securing your financial future.